G'day guys, welcome back to another video. Today I've got Harley Quinn in the studio, aka Annaliese McGuire. Annaliese has a couple of YouTube channels which I will link below, so make sure you check them out. She's got one for tutorials and one for vlogs.
So if you want to look as crazy as this, you can
learn how to do it.
You can get the look.
Yeah, excellent. Make sure you check them out. She's got some good stuff on there, and there'll be more good stuff coming soon, I believe.
Yes.
So yeah,
cool.
Subscribe for sure. So today, obviously we're doing a cosplay style shoot, and for lighting I'm going to be using the Lupo lights. I've got the Lupo full color 30s on either side of us here, full color 60 up the back, and we're going to just mix around those colors for the different costumes that we've got. We've got 4 different costumes that Harley has, and front light that's shining up there is the Lupo Dayled 2000. That's going to give us a bit of a spotlight. So we're going to get some kind of nice shadows happening in the background, make it look fairly theatrical. And at times we're going to throw a bit of smoke in the back as well, just to add a little bit more atmosphere. So I think we should get started.
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm keen. So let's jump into it. And you'll see some really good behind the scenes coming right up. Cool. All right, that's a wrap. Thank you, Annaliese.
Thank you for having
AKA
me.
Harley.
Harley Quinn, nice to meet ya.
That was a pretty epic shoot.
Yeah, it was the most epic shoot. Loved the studio. This is an amazing studio. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome anytime. Love to have you back. Let's see what other characters we can come up with.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That'll be fun.
they could leave a comment.
They could, yeah.
Yeah.
Got any suggestions?
Yeah. Comment below if you want me to do another costume and shoot with Cam in his amazing studio, and I'll see what I can put together. Yes.
Yeah, that'd be great. Awesome. Thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you got something out of this video. Until we see you again, ciao for now.
Testing. I am Annaliese, the Lizard Queen.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
coming.
Okay,
Good.
cool.
Yep.
Awesome. Comfy shoe.